Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we will learn about useRef in React. So let's get started. In React, useRef is a hook which only returns a single item. It returns an object called current. The useRef allows us to manipulate the DOM very easily without causing our component to be re-rendered. It also helps us to implement validations in forms very easily. In React, we can add a ref attribute to an element to access it directly in the DOM. Let's go to the code and let's practice useRef hook with an example. Inside app component, first of all, let's import useRef hook from React at the top. After that, let's create an input element with a type of text. Then let's create a button. Actually, I want to put focus on the input field by clicking on the button. So for that, let's pass onClick attribute, and here let's pass in the name of the function. Let's say the function is focus input, and up here let's create the function focus input. Now in order to apply useRef hook, first of all we need to create a variable that holds all the DOM methods that we get through the useRef hook. We need to call useRef and set it equal to a variable. Let's call this variable an input ref. After that, inside the input field we need to pass ref attribute this input ref to make the input field ready for applying any DOM manipulation. Now inside the focus input function that will get called whenever we click on the button, we want to apply focus on the input. So let's use input ref that consists of an object which is current to get the focus function, and as we have used input ref as a reference to this input, it will apply focus on the input field. Let's test this out. So look, when I click on the button, it brings focus on the input field. Now you can also change the background color, getting the value of your input field, or apply any validation. But this is not recommended and it makes your component uncontrolled. Instead, if you want to make this component a controlled component, then you need to use states, on change, etc. And that I have shown in the previous video where I teach you about the forms in React. So make sure to check that video as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video and find this video helpful. For more videos like this, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also press the bell icon next to it. Also, if you want to support this channel, you can do it on Patreon with as little amount as $2. At last, thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next time.